Alrighty, so Zisto coming to you live from Kwamamkhize Lifestyle, which is one of the best shisanyamas that we have here in Durban. And we have 2019 Siktinenge Beach Fest. Now we're taking it up a notch. It is eMlazi's reality launch, okay? And obviously everyone knows Guti Kwamamkhize has been relaunched. It has been revamped. It's looking absolutely amazing. How are you, baby? Don't forget to subscribe, right? There seems to be like the whole of Royal AM, the soccer club out here. Is it going to be really real, or is it going to be like every other reality show where it's scripted? Don't worry, Zisto giving you nothing but deep access, honey. Stay tuned. Subscribe, ne? Ungakhohlwa to subscribe. Introduce yourself. Who's Kwamamkhize? Tell her who's introduce them and come here.
Kwamamkhize was very humble. Was a girl from next door.
Shout out to you.
Celebrate my sister Sbahle ngeshow yakhe ethi uMaMkhize when it's just carry the surname which is MaMkhize. So we are so happy ukuthi ilontshe la ekhaya eMaxi Lifestyle, one of the best restaurants in the world.
I promise you, it's got award after award after award, and I send so ibuka bo. So Rami, welcome to Deeply Rooted.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You're beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
And you and Sean seem to have a very close bond. Tell me a bit about that.
Yes, we do actually. Funny enough, I met her years back around, I think it was a long time ago. I was married actually at that time. So
How long ago?
so it was a very long time ago. We actually met at someone else's wedding.
Okay, I want to ask you something very controversial right now. What does your father think about this reality show?
I mean, the show is not about, we're not exposing him in any manner. So the reality show is basically reflecting her lifestyle, and then we are still part of her lifestyle, so we are there. So if he was still part of her lifestyle, we'd be there too.
Okay, Ushan has came out to the world, a perception. So when this reality show is coming in, it's gonna come in here, and I need to tell my story.
Now, can we
8 minutes?
Okay, can we expect any wild cards? Reality show.
Probably.
Probably.
Well, in the authentic, William, it's my life, because no one knows how my life goes, but in the reality TV show, you'll see my life and how I live.
Alrighty.
Singani, Neighborly Black Excellence, Namhlanje Kwamamkhize Lifestyle. First black person, what's a lokshin? Others keep eMlazi. Secondly, Sean MaMkhize, keep eMlazi. Hi guys, if you're not driven, if you're not into this thing, angazi ngabe ufuna yiphi motivation.
Lalela, thank you. It's the Black Barbie, honey. So, man, Max's Lifestyle has been a vibe. Deeply Rooted, giving you deep access. We are go to 2020. We're coming for everything. Notification, click on like. Subscription, click on like. Because some niggas are nothing but the fire. Zisto signing out.